Before replacing your Hextio reactor cell, first consult the user manual. For this you will need a screwdriver. First remove the two hand screws from the top of Hextio. These can be unscrewed with your hands. Next remove the grill and the carbon filter. It's important that the grey side of the carbon filter always faces the lamp. Now remove the two hand screws from inside the top of Hextio. On the bottom of Hextio, you will see 4 rubber feet. These need to be taken off. Underneath, you will see 4 metal screws. These need to be removed. Once all screws have been removed, grip the two sides of Hextio and pull apart. Don't be afraid, it may seem tough at first, but will come apart. Now remove the 4 screws on the reactor cell. You do not need to remove the 2 middle screws. Now you will see the wire that connects Hextio reactor cell to the front of Hextio. This needs to be disconnected. Now remove the reactor cell. When replacing your new reactor cell, you will feed the wire through this hole to connect it back up. Breathe easy. Your Hextio reactor cell can now be replaced.